Was it pushing you? Just a little, right? That's pretty deep, guys. That's probably the deepest I've been in. Hey, Robbie, you definitely gotta give it gas and let that front come up a little. Like a pro. This is one I worry about. That bike's light. Oh, piece of cake, man. Riding it like a champ. We might see you at the next spot if he drifts. Alright, that wasn't too bad. Your Razor going through it, Chris? You know, it looked easy. I got it on video. He's gonna go slow.